Hello friends, this is a small video to show you how to fix a gun with the loose slider and the pin that has fallen out of the gun. I'll show you how to install this pin back into place. When the pin falls out, the slider is separated and starts wobbling. It has kind of no connection with the gun at all. In order to get it connected and get the pin back into its original place, you'll have to remove this slider mechanism. I will show you how to do it. You just have to spread it like wide legs, and this thing will pop out of the gun. Sometimes you have to put a bit of effort. Just try not to put a lot of stress or else it will break. Now the slider is removed. All you need to do is use a plier and pull the piston back out of the gun. When you try to pull it up, there is a small trick to it. You have to make sure that this lock mechanism has to stay down. Sliding mechanism, lock mechanism, it does not go up like this. This has to stay down. So while holding it down, just to make sure you're holding it down, you can invert the gun, and with your thumb put a bit of pressure. Gentle pressure is just fine. Just make sure it does not slide up. Use your plier and pull it all the way back. Once it is pulled back, what you need to do is just make sure your thumb is not moving. You have to put this slider back on the gun, of course the right way. The top notch will show you how to put this in place. Now once it is locked and aligned, the piston will fit into the groove of the slider. There is a small collar. The piston will go right in there. After you have aligned it properly, you can put the small clip back into the small notch that you see there. Just put it on top of it, and with the help of a small screwdriver, you can push it into the gun. Sometimes you need to put a lot of pressure to make it happen. If it does not work, you can also use a hammer to hammer this pin into its place. Now once it locks into its place, just verify that it's in place. You're good to go. Put the gun back into its original position. Fire the trigger. Try loading the gun back again just to make sure it's working.